Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Check that your PNR is RAC or waitlist and meets upgradation rules. Once logged into Irctc, make sure your profile, mobile number, and payment methods are saved so notifications reach you instantly. Next, book using a quota and class that permit auto upgradation. For example, choose SL when you aim for 3A upgrade. Do this now so the system can consider your ticket during the chart preparation cycle. This is the foundation for the automatic upgrade process. Once done with booking, you must enable notifications. Turn on SMS and email alerts in your Irctc profile so you receive live updates. Then, if Irctc shows an automatic upgradation option during booking, select it and do not change the payment method. This keeps the ticket linked to your account. Make sure to monitor PNR status closely. Check chart preparation and seat availability about 4 to 6 hours before departure, because the system reallocates seats then. These steps keep you in contention for the upgrade. You complete the process by verifying the final berth after chart preparation, open My Bookings, and confirm the updated ticket details. If the auto upgradation did not happen, contact Irctc support immediately with your PNR and booking details, and escalate to the railway inquiry counter if necessary. Keep a polite, concise record of communication. Finally, have alternatives ready. Consider waitlist movement, tactile purchase, or counter upgrades at the station. Troubleshooting tip: when upgrades fail, recheck quota rules and timing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.